Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make the Rag Rug Friendship Bracelet. This is what the bracelet looks like. And as you can see, I've already started to make the bracelet. So the first thing you want to do is pick out 6 different colors, and you can definitely go ahead and choose a couple more colors if you wanted to. I would just suggest using an even number of colors. So if you wanted to go ahead and choose 8 colors, you can do that, or you can choose 10 or 12. It's totally up to you, because this bracelet you'll need an even number because we're working in pairs. And the next thing you want to do after that is tie an overhand knot at the top. And what I've done is I've braided the top end of the bracelet like this. I tied an overhand knot and then afterwards started to make the bracelet. This bracelet involves 2 different rows and it's super simple. You'll need to know how to make the backward knot and also the forward knot. And I'll show you guys how I make those 2 knots. So now that you've done that, what you want to do is arrange the strings in pairs. So it doesn't really matter what order you put the strings in, you just want to pair them up. The next thing you'll do is separate all the pairs like this, and then we're going to go ahead and make backward knots on each of the pairs. So a backward knot for the first, second, and third. So a backward knot is a backwards 4, and we're going to get the second string over top of the first string and make a backward knot. And then for the next pair, another backward knot from the pink to the yellow. And then for the last set here, we're going to make another backward knot from the violet to the white. And now for the next row, we're going to remove and just place the outermost strand up at the top because we're not going to work with those ones. So for me, it's the white and also the green. So I'm just going to place those up top, and we're going to be making forward knots to each of the pairs. So a forward knot to the blue to the pink, and then a forward knot from the yellow to the violet. So a forward knot looks like this. And then we're going to do another forward knot from the yellow to the violet. And then this is the entire pattern. So it's very simple to make. I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time. So now that we've completed our forward knots here with these, with the 2 pairs of strings here, now we're going to go ahead and bring the outermost strands back in, and we're going to make backward knots. So you can go ahead and separate your strings into pairs again. And we're going to be making backward knots. So a backward knot from the pink to the green. And then we're going to make a backward knot from the violet to the blue. And then we're going to make another backward knot from the white to the yellow. Now that we've done our knots, we're going to place the outermost strings up at the top, and then we're going to create forward knots with each of the pairs that we have down here. So separate your strings into pairs, and then we're going to make a forward knot from the green to the violet. And then we're going to make another forward knot from the blue to the white. And that's it, guys. That is the entire pattern. So anytime you're working with all the strings, you're basically making backward knots. And when you're working with the innermost strings and not the outermost strands, then you're going to be making backward knots, or sorry, forward knots among the pairs here. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, then please leave them down in the comment section. And if you have any other tutorials that you guys would like to see, then please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.